Here are the Heirloom, let's see if we can get it to focus, Heirloom lettuce, the Freckles that I bought. And I planted 4 of them out, and they're just growing beautifully. Look at this. We've had lettuce every night. And it's so easy. I just got these really nice containers and I planted it up. Had them done in less than 5 minutes. Look, I'm even composting in place underneath this lid. I have some banana peels and some stuff under there, and boy, the lettuce loves it. And I'm going to go show you how I did it exactly. Let's go plant the last 2. There were 6 in the 6-pack. And I've got 2 more smallest ones left. Well, actually, they weren't the smallest. These just grew really big, but they're small because they were left in the container. So let's go plant those out, and I'll show you how I planted my Heirloom lettuce, the Freckles. They're so cool. Look at that. They're green, and then they're full of red spots. Let's go show you how to plant them. And then you can have, and you could do the same thing, and you can have salad every night. Organic. I'm going to show you real quick how I planted my lettuce. Spent $4 for a tray of this. This is freckled red lettuce. And just think, 6 plants. I'm going to have lettuce. I'm going to have lettuce every day. This is what I do, and it's worked really good for me. I take my containers and I use collard leaves because I have so many collard leaves. So I take the collard leaves and spread it all over the bottom. Then I use broken down wood chips. And this is really good. I take out the big pieces if you want. This is broken down wood chips. Now, if you don't have wood chips, you can use potting mix. I got some potting mix from the hardware store with a big box store. They had some bags that were torn. So I got them for half price. Actually, I got them for 75% off one day. Look at that. So you can mix it. You could use both. If you've got wood chips, go dig down. Lettuce just loves broken down wood chips. And then that's it. Pull your lettuce out. Take off all the leaves it doesn't want. I just bury the leaves. Start with here. Okay, some of these leaves are brown. We don't need it. The ones I've already planted are huge and beautiful. Just put that aside right now. There's one. Again, if you got some leaves on there and you're definitely not going to eat it, the plant doesn't need it. Get rid of it. Make a little bit bigger. As you can see, I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty. They're always dirty. Either full of ink from my artwork or my garden. And then what I do, let's see if I've got some close by. I've got some soaked wood chips. This is soaked. It's been soaked in water. And I put this all around it. Kind of gives it a really good start. And look at that. They don't look like much right now, but I'm telling you, these things are going to take off, and I'm going to have so much salad that I won't have to go to the store and buy any. I mean, you can't beat that. $4 for a tray. Get the lettuce you like. The lettuce that grows really good here seems to be romaine, and this seems like it looks like romaine. It's a type, it looks like it's in the same family. I'll test it. I haven't grown it here. If it doesn't grow that good here, I'll go back to the plain green romaine. But this is how easy it is. 1, 2, 3. The reason I use leaves, collard leaves, is it breaks down and it acts like food for the plant. So as the plant is growing, the leaves on the bottom are breaking down and it's feeding the plant. But any leaves that are no good, just get rid of them. You don't want to take all the leaves off or you'll kill the plant. Just clean it up a little bit. And look how easy. What, in 2 minutes I've got it planted. I love these containers. I got these from Daiso. Look around and get containers that you like with all the holes on the bottom. See the holes on the bottom? I can plant in this and then either sit it on the ground and the roots can come through and feed off the ground, or I can sit it on one of my compost bins that I do, you know, where I compost and place in large containers. Just sit it on top, water it. It will act as a mulch and feed my compost with water, and the roots will grow through, and then, you know, it can just keep on growing the plant. So I really like these containers. And I hope I can get some more this year. So look how easy. And that's it. So go pick out some lettuce you like. You'll know it's organic. You grew it yourself. Like I said, if you don't have wood chips, you can use leaves. You can use broken down grass cuttings. You can put any type of mulch on the top that you want to keep the soil damp. And if you don't have wood chips, go ahead and use leaves from your garden, crumble it up and put it all over the top. Or you can put grass clippings on the top. Just anything you want to mix inside. The wood chips I showed you, they were already, I dug them up from the ground underneath, and there's worms and stuff in there, and it was well broken down. But that's how easy it is to do your own. Okay, well, plant some lettuce, and don't forget to eat what you grow. And if you like this, like and subscribe and ask me, you know, other questions, and I'll try to get to the questions and make other videos. Okay, bye-bye. So I went to the nursery. I knew exactly what I wanted. I wanted the freckled lettuce. And I picked out a 6-pack that had all 6 of them, the same variety, because look through, a lot of times they don't have the same ones. They might have something else growing. So even though it wasn't the biggest one, I picked out the one that had 6 freckled lettuce. And those are the ones I picked, and I purchased those. Just one tray. You want to make sure you buy what you're going to plant. And this way, if they go to flower, I will make sure none of the lettuce in my yard is flowering. And I can collect seeds from it and grow my own next time.